So the Google Pixel Fold is probably the most hated device in 2023. A lot of people is saying that it's way overpriced at $1,800. The Pixel Fold has last year's specs. That's what a lot of people is saying. People is also saying that the Pixel Fold has Pixel 7a cameras. The Pixel Fold has a huge bezel. The Pixel Fold is poorly optimized when opening up the device. The Pixel Fold has poor battery life. And lastly, the Pixel Fold can't compete with devices like the Galaxy Z Fold 4 or the Z Fold 5 that's coming out, or even the Z Fold 3 from Samsung. When you hear all these complaints, one may ask the question, is the Google Pixel Fold a total failure? Well, let me give you my thoughts about it. Sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So all that I said in the beginning of this video is most people complaints, whether or not they have the device or they don't have the device. If they do have the device, a lot of people have these complaints that I just stated in the beginning of this video. Well, there's an easy fix to your complaints. The Google Pixel Fold is not for you. If you got the Google Pixel Fold and you have all these complaints, all these issues, return it for a full refund and don't look back. Listen, I'm not discrediting anyone that has issues with their Pixel Fold, and I'm not discrediting people that pay full MSRP for the Pixel Fold. You know what? Some of these complaints is valid. Listen, I did not pay full MSRP for the Pixel Fold. I got mines for $1,300, as I've been talking about here on this YouTube channel. Listen, I've been telling everybody every day to find deals so you don't have to pay over $1,800 for the Pixel Fold. You know what? I digress. Because if you pay $1,800 for the Pixel Fold, that's on you. I didn't pay $1,800 for the Pixel Fold. So listen, I finally got the Pixel Fold in the building, and I've been using it about 48 hours so far. So the Pixel Fold will be one of my daily drivers that's replacing the Galaxy S23 Ultra. As you know, I rock 3 daily drivers, and this device will be one of my daily drivers. The Pixel Fold is like a newborn baby. It has to grow. And with growth, it gets better. But I do understand that if you paid your hard-earned money, you want results now, and nothing wrong with that. One thing that I would say, right, that I've been using the Pixel Fold 24 to 48 hours, and I did take some shots as far as the cameras. And the cameras on this device is really good. Let me show you some camera footage on the Google Pixel Fold. So check this out. So let's talk about some of these overheating issues. And yes, the phone was very warm when I was shooting outside, shooting all this B-roll and camera footage that you just saw. The phone did get hot. But you know what? It's hot outside. And the only phone that can handle these extreme conditions that I have in my arsenal is the LG V60. I'm not gonna lie to you. The LG V60 can handle this extreme condition with no problem, no sweat, no nothing. Listen, besides the Pixel Fold, right? Any phone will burn up in these conditions. But using the Pixel Fold for a few days, setting it up, the device did get a bit warm. I'm not gonna lie to you. And I don't even have a case on my device. So I'm telling you that it did get warm when I, did some updates and I was putting it all together and stuff like that, right? When I was outside shooting footage, the phone did get warm. But you know what? Again, all phones will get hot and heat. But I do understand that the Tensor 2 processor does have a case of overheating. So I've only been having a Pixel Fold for about 48 hours. And I'm gonna tell you, shooting a lot of footage outside in extreme temperatures, the device did get warm.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display.
So who say you can't game on the Google Pixel Fold? Look, I've had a very good experience gaming on this device with no drop frame and no app crashing. And yes, the phone did get a little warm when I was gaming. So does every other phone get warm when gaming, right? But listen, I can tell you, you can game on the Pixel Fold with no problem. And performance on this device is absolutely great. No problem with performance on a Pixel Fold. But if you want to game on a Pixel Fold, go right ahead and do it, because yes, the performance on this device is good. So one thing that I'm excited for using the Pixel Fold for the long haul is the design. Listen, the front screen aspect ratio is perfect. Listen, I even love the inner display. It's perfect. I really do love the inner display. Now it is a bit heavy, but it's solid. It feels real good in the hand. The design of this device is elegant and it looks good and it feels good. I love the heft. Look, man, I don't want them old light skinny devices, right? I like a little heft with my devices, right? So the heft on the Google Pixel Fold is really good. I don't have no complaints about it so far. So look, I'm not gonna sugarcoat this. If you are not a pure Google Pixel fan that likes to build the clean bill of Android on a Pixel device, clean, then the Google Pixel Fold is not for you. It was never for you. Google have never put a bunch of features on their devices, like the Z Fold 4. Not feature-rich device. The Google Pixel Fold is not a feature-rich device. It was never designed to be a feature-rich device. The Google Pixel Fold is for Google fans, no more, no less. Does the Google Pixel Fold need updates? Of course it needs updates. We need to wait a few months before we judge this device. Nonetheless, my short time with the Pixel Fold is hopeful, and it will be my daily driver for the next 12 months. Now, as far as battery life, it's work in progress. I can't give you a definite answer about battery life with this device so far. I will report back as I make videos about the Pixel Fold. Look, I'm excited for this device. It's gonna be one of my daily drivers, actually replacing the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Listen, I'm gonna have a lot of coverage on the Pixel Fold, so stay tuned and subscribe. And yes, if you want pen support, I got pen support. That's right, you see? I got pen support. You want pen support? Of course I got pen support on the outer display. I wouldn't put this on the inner display, but I have it on the outer display. And I signed some documents and I did some work with the pen here, with this pen right here. I made videos about this pen. I talk about this pen a lot. But yes, it does work on the Pixel Fold. Yes, it does. That's right. Listen, I got full coverage coming for the Pixel Fold, so stay tuned. This is Eric the Tech Preacher. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the Google Pixel Fold in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace, baby. Peace. That's what I'm talking about. Peace. Oh, I love this phone. Oh, when I open it up. Oh. And you know what? It does get flat. Yeah, this phone is flat. You know, a lot of people say, it's curved like this, man. Oh my God, it's gone. It's flat, baby. The Pixel Fold is flat. What are people talking about? I have a flat Pixel Fold. Later.